In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to clients in Healthie. While Healthie doesn't offer a traditional compose and send email feature, it does a lot of the heavy lifting for you by sending emails automatically when you or your clients take certain actions. The key is knowing what gets sent, when it's triggered, and how you can tailor the experience to match your brand and voice. Here's the big idea. Emails in Healthie are transactional. That means they're tied to events and tasks, not one-off marketing blasts. For example, when you add a client to your account, Healthie immediately sends a client invite, often called the welcome email. You can edit the content of this message to make it feel personal, but you can't disable it. Scheduling is covered too. When an appointment is booked, Healthie sends a confirmation automatically. You can turn on reminders and adjust how far in advance those reminders go out, so clients have a nudge at the right time. If you sell packages or a client books through your embedded link, they'll receive a purchase confirmation. New clients also get a link to set up their account, so onboarding happens smoothly without extra back and forth. If you offer programs or modules, clients will receive program-related emails as they join. You can also set up reactivation emails to re-engage clients who haven't been active in a while. Beyond those, Healthie handles essential notifications like password resets, intake reminders, and care plan updates. Think of these as the system keeping your clients informed without you having to send separate messages. Now, if a client missed their invite or can't find it, you can resend it directly from their profile. Open the client's profile in Healthie, look to the top right, and select Actions. Next to the client's personal information, click the three dots. Choose Reset Password and send New Invite. This will deliver a fresh welcome email with a new portal access link. For security, Healthie limits how many times you can resend within a 24-hour window, so if you hit that limit, simply give it a little time before trying again. To make these emails sound like you, review your templates and branding settings so your tone, logo, and contact details are consistent. Small tweaks go a long way in building trust and clarity. And if you're ever unsure which messages are available or how they look, check Healthie's Help Center for examples and deeper guides. With these tools, you'll keep clients informed automatically, save time, and deliver a polished experience from day one.